Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install VN Video Editor on your PC running Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7 in 2025. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the search bar. Type in Vlogno, me ***, then hit enter. Once the site loads, scroll down a bit. You'll see different options to download VN Video Editor depending on your device. Since we're using a Windows PC, click the second option, the one for Windows. Now, you'll be redirected to a new page. Scroll down and you'll find the steps to install VN Video Editor on your PC. The first thing we need to do is install BlueStacks, which acts like a Google Play Store for your Windows computer. Click the link in Step 1 to download BlueStacks, then install it on your PC. Once BlueStacks is installed, open it and use the search bar to look for VN Video Editor. Click Install just like you would on a phone. After installation, the app will appear inside BlueStacks. To launch VN Video Editor, simply click the green Play on App Player button. And that's it. You now have VN Video Editor running on your Windows PC. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.